Before our taxi, we check the weather, which is on this frequency.
19 Celsius, dew point 07 Celsius, altimeter 3035, remarks, density altitude 700.
Horace Williams Airport.
Automated weather observation 1635 Zulu, wind variable at 05, visibility 10. Sky condition clear, temperature 19 Celsius.
We got that. 3035, we'll adjust that.
And Chapel 2A Romeo, you calling if you were just parking?
Just parking for
And then that's 3, 4. Alright, right on it.
Taxi down there in the apron area, and feel free to take in one of those concrete pads.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then move this up here. Okay. That's good, so now we'll taxi out.
I'm out.
My brakes work.
Which one's the brake? Left?
You press down on the top of the rudders. And now we're going to do what's called a run-up, where we run the engine at about 75% power, just to make sure that all the components are working. Alright, back to 1,000. Let's see. Okay, brakes set, seats and belts, we are good. That's closed, that's closed, that's closed. Flight controls, watch your knees. That one goes up, that one goes down. That one goes up, that one goes down. Up, down, left, and right. Okay, that's at 0, that's on the horizon, that's within 75 feet. That's at 0. Right about there. And that's level. Okay, fuel quantity, that's good. Mixture, full rich. Throttle to 1700 RPM. Okay, so then
downwind on runway 23, triangle north.
we should be good. We'll taxi up to the runway and announce that we're taking off, and then we're out of here.
Cool, cool.
I don't know why the camera's shaking so much like that. The camera's more nervous than I am.
Honestly, we're excited.
Yep. Alright, turn the landing light on. Chapel Hill traffic, Skyhawk 738 Bravo Golf taking off runway 27, departing to the south, circling Chapel Hill between 2,500 and 3,000 Chapel Hill. Don't see anybody, don't hear anybody. You ready?
I'm ready.
So this runway has not been paved since 1990, and it looks like it. Now this part of the runway with the arrows, this is what's called a displaced threshold, meaning you can use it for taxi and takeoff, but you cannot land on it. And the reason they have it on this end of the runway is because of those big trees over there, and the descent angle you would need to land on this portion of the runway is too high, so they displace the portion at which you can begin landing.
Gotcha.
And we're going to do what's called a short field takeoff. And what that entails is, alright, 2727, lower the flaps to 10 degrees, and we're going to hold the brakes and go full throttle, and then release. And that's good, release. Airspeed's alive.
Gosh, we're up.
Triangle north,
Yep.
6537 Delta, we're 5 Delta runway, we'll be making 45 left downwind for 23, triangle north.
And there's the Carolina North Forest.
Whoa.
It's a bit bumping today just because it's a bit hot, but it's a nice day for flying.
Whoa. The houses.
Yeah, they're big out here.
Yeah. goodness.
Chapel Hill traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, turning to the south, going to circle of town at 2,500 Chapel Hill.
So cool.
Triangle North, 6537.
You can see how close the airport is to the town.
Triangle North.
Yeah. At Jordan Lake?
Yep. And if you look sort of at our 1 o'clock, that big open tan area, that's RDU.
Huh.
Alright, that is 2,500. We'll level off here at 2,600, but who's counting?
Oh my gosh, and that's cute.
Triangle North, 6537. Delta's turn at base for 23. Triangle North.
I think looking at campus from up here doesn't really make the campus feel small, it makes you feel small because
Yeah.
when you're down there it feels so big.
And it looks kind of small from up here.
Mm-hmm. And we're only like half a mile up.
Only.
So, Diane,
Yes.
would you like to fly the airplane?
Oh my god. How do I do that?
So this is the yoke.
Okay.
This controls your pitch and your bank. So turning it left will make the plane go left.
Okay.
Turning it right will make the airplane go right. Pushing it down will make the airplane go down. Pulling it will make the airplane go up.
That down.
This is the throttle.
Okay.
I'll deal with the throttle.
Okay, good.
And let's see, and then this is your heading indicator, so see if you can make a turn to 210 degrees, which is at 21. And I'm going to use rudder to help with you. And this is your vertical speed, so you want to pull back just to counteract that because we're sinking a little bit.
Okay.
So now we're getting up to 2-1, so then you counteract that, you turn left to level it out. See?
Whoa. This is so cool.
Yeah, it's very easy to fly. And you can turn it right again, because we're going to continue making a circle. And then you want, there's a thing called coordinated turns. The coordinated is here, where you have that ball between those two lines.
Right.
And the way you do that is you align your rudder with your aileron. So the rudder helps point the nose. You feel what I'm doing there?
Yeah, yeah.
So that helps actually like pull the airplane towards a certain way.
Huh. This is complicated.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
And do you want to take the controls back? You did a great job.
I'm a little late.
And do you want to do some zero gravity?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the key with that. You reduce power just a little bit. Pull the carb heat. And we're just going to point the airplane just a little bit up. Just a little bit over the horizon. Slow it down a little bit. And then...
Whoa! That was so cool.
Yeah.
It was like a roller coaster when you're like
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, and one last thing. If you look over there, we won't be able to get a good angle on it. If you look out that side of the plane, you might be able, yeah, right there. You might be able to see a guy who thinks you're simply amazing and really likes you. You see him? You're looking in the right direction.
Aww. Is he out there?
Yeah, somewhere. I think I saw him a second ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Doing gonna head in now. I just need to get that off my chest.
Picked a better place.
Yeah.
Chapel Hill traffic, Skyhawk 8 Bravo Golf is descending out of 2,500, going to cross over the field left downwind runway 9, Chapel Hill.
Technical.
Yes, very much so.
I love how the trees look like the ones that are like different colors.
Yeah, they stand out a lot.
Yeah. I bet this would look super cool in like the fall.
Oh yeah, I've flown out here in the fall. It is gorgeous.
Wow.
I didn't like pilot, but I had a ride in the fall, and it was very.
Traffic, Archer 310 got 0 to 5 miles.
All right, I'll pull the power.
Airport, descending through 3000. We'll be entering left downwind for runway 18, mount in.
Left's at 10. Begin our descent.
Looks so small. Like that little pool, that little dot. And cars look like little toys.
Yeah, you get a really different view on the world.
Yeah.
I have a t-shirt that says pilots looking down on people since 1903.
Chapel Hill traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, turning left base, runway 9, Chapel Hill.
Houses still look pretty big though.
These flaps, they increase drag while maintaining lift, so you can really feel the effect they have on the plane when you lower them just because the airplane's so light.
Right. Slowing down.
Chapel Hill traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, turning final, runway 9, Chapel Hill.
Oh, there it is! Oh my gosh!
We're a bit high, but the airplane just drop out of the sky. Well, I didn't mean it to sound that dramatic, but you can get it to descend very rapidly if you need it to. The wind over these trees, you can really feel.
Yeah, it's kind of pushing us.
Yeah. And we have a crosswind from the right.
Triangle traffic, 2-minute call, jumpers 11,000 and below, use caution maneuvering around triangle.
The wind really buffeted me. Alright, second chance. Dang it. That was the worst landing of the day so far.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that was amazing to me. I've had like airline jets like bounce me more. It really slowed down. It like felt like we were going.
Huh?
Huh. It felt like we were going like faster in the air. Like we were slowing down.
Yeah. When we touched down, we're only going about 65 miles an hour.
65?
Maybe 55.
Really?
Yeah, we rotate at 65 miles an hour.
How fast are we in the air?
About 110, 115.
Oh, dang. That's not super fast. Drive them.
Chapel Hill traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, clear the runway.
Are all throttles like a...
No, the Cessnas are. His airplane, Severan's, his is like on a slider.
Okay.
It feels much more commanding. I like that style better than this little ice cream scoop kind of a